How's everybody doing? It is I, johnmabibbs, Senior Pastor of repairerschurch. I have some exciting news. On the first Sunday in September, we'll be right here at the Homewood Theater. Look at that time. We'll be right here at the Homewood Theater. Do you understand? Right here in Homewood. I'm looking for each and every one of you. 10 a.m. that Sunday. It all begins. I don't know if you're ready, but you know what I always say, connect with us and we'll connect with you. I'm a repairer and so are you. Make sure you click the link below to get connected to Repair Church. Have a great day.